welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are at Sobremesa. Today dining out because of this COVID-19. So the dining in is closed, so we are sitting outside. The noise is really annoying of the vehicle, so please ignore that. And today we're gonna eat some sandwiches and burgers. So yes, you can watch us. So this is what is our order, and it's a spicy Korean burger, spicy cheese, and a chicken sandwich. That looks so good, and it just came in right now, and we're gonna have it. I'm gonna give the review of it from 10 to 1. What the review is. Okay, so now I'm gonna eat the review. The burger looks really delicious. It's really good. It's really good. And I want to rate it 7. Okay. It's really good. So now I'm going to give the review of the sandwich. Okay. So I'm going to give the review of it. Oh my god, I just took this out. Fresh, and it's really good. I really like its texture with the egg on the top.